What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to an update on Cardano, or ADA. ADA is the token of the Cardano blockchain, which I wanted to cover today basically because yesterday we had a small crash. I mean, you can almost not call it a crash. It's 8.5%. It's not over 10%. Even for Bitcoin, I think it was like 5%, even though Bitcoin was pretty weak already. But you can see Solana, Dogecoin, I mean, all the big cryptos fell. So what I usually do then is I cover some of the bigger cryptos, such as Cardano. So that's what we're going to do. First, what you can see is that we found resistance here at that 51 cents level. Was quite clear. I mean, this trend line, for example, was just a perfect trade. I didn't take it because the markets were moving pretty weird yesterday. To be honest, and I also said that in my Bitcoin analysis yesterday morning. Maybe I should have expected a move like this. I'm not sure. I didn't really yesterday. I was expecting it for like the next weeks, but not like this. So what we did with Cardano, and I updated my analysis a little bit because my analysis wasn't great, even though the price action of Cardano is very confusing too. I mean, take a look at all these candles. Still, it wasn't great. So to me, I mean, we found support here right around 45 cents. To me, it seems like we're going up to this 47 cents, 48 cents level just to take a break retest. That means that we can stay on top of 45 cents for a little bit longer. But eventually, I do think that within the next few days, we'll drop down to this 44, 43.5 cents level. And then from there, I mean, I'm not saying this is the last support, but I am saying that I need to do an update on it when we hit that level, because it's pretty hard to do analysis right now on cryptos when you don't really have all the information you'd like to have. For example, I would say that something like this to drop down to 42 cents and then to drop down to 40 cents within the next month is probably the most likely scenario, and that's probably going to be it if you're taking a look at that. September notoriously is a bearish month for crypto, all right? But this continuation really depends on the price action we get off of Cardano, the fundamentals, but also some developments for Cardano, right? Because this whole move started with the hard fork coming the 22nd of September. So I just need to update Cardano a little bit more. To me, short term, something like this is going to happen, and I do think 43.5 cents could at least hold us for 2 or 3 days. So that gives us enough time, I think, and then from there, I think we're going to be bearish, but there are some possibilities to actually become a little bit more bullish with Cardano. Even though I'm not expecting a very bullish Cardano, right? I'm not expecting Cardano to go up to 54 cents, but just relatively. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to cover about Cardano. As I said, I will keep updating it, definitely with the big news coming out later this month. The hard fork, or at least we're hoping that they're going to get that deadline this time. I do think they will. But for now, that's my take and my analysis on Cardano. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.